Hey guys, my name's Jim of the Dead. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Warhammer video. Remember, if you do like these videos, please hit that like button, hit subscribe to the channel and all that good stuff, and there'll be more in the near future. What we're going to do today though is we're going to quickly build up these Castigators and the Gryph-hound that you get with issue number 3 of Mortal Realms magazine. They're all push fit models, so no gluing really involved if you don't want to. They're pretty cool as well. So you've got your main Castigator, kind of like troop leader just there, who's got his helm off, and his helm will be under his arm just up there. Cool, so let's get building. guys. And that's it. That's 3 Stormcast Castigators assembled, ready for painting, and 1 Gryph-hound as well. Cool. Remember, if you've liked the video, please hit that like button. If you've enjoyed watching these quick little videos, please hit subscribe to the channel and all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the future. Bye bye now.